We guide you through how to save posts in X, Twitter. So the first thing you need to do is to open the X app and find the post you want to save. Then, tap the share icon located below the post. Once the menu appears, select bookmark to instantly save it to your account. If you want to access it later, just go to your profile, tap the menu icon, and choose Bookmarks, where all your saved posts are stored. If the bookmark option doesn't show, make sure your app is updated to the latest version for full features. And that's it. You can now organize useful posts, videos, or threads without needing to like or retweet them, making your feed cleaner and more private.